Alright, this is Doc Mountain and welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Yellow Card. Alright, so we are in. Come on, Yellow Card. Come on, Yellow Card. Loading. Okay, so the money is in my USDT wallet. I have 36 US dollars. So now how do I withdraw this money? So what I need to do is I need to click USDT. Then I click sell. Then I need to indicate the number of dollars that I want to withdraw. So that is 36.7.27 rather. And then click next. The saying you are selling 36.27. I confirm. Enter the password. USDT is sold. Okay, so now here's the money. It's now reflecting in the main account. So now I can initiate the withdrawal. So now you've seen those tabs sitting on top. Buy, sell, deposit, withdraw. Click withdraw. Then how do you want to withdraw the money? Do you want it to go to your mobile money account or to your spend account? So you can go by mobile money. Click it there. So how much do I want to withdraw? Let's check how much is that. 696. I guess 696. A whole lot of it. Then click next. Yes, that is the mobile money account number to which I want to withdraw the money. Okay. So provider, there must be a provision for, so you can click confirm and all the money will actually be sent to your account. So this is how you do it. As simple as that.